Hi, I'm Mr. Turner, Associate Principal here at Holmen Middle School. We're back with our June construction update. I'm joined here once again by Brad, our project superintendent. Brad, thanks for being here and joining us.
You're welcome.
With the school year wrapped up, what updates do you have for us?
Well, right now we're about 95% complete on this new addition here that we're standing in now. We had cleaners come in, we have the new doors coming in right now, they're being installed. And in a couple weeks we'll have the new furniture and get that all set in place. So hopefully my goal is, the rest of the summer is just little punch list items and basically have this area shut down. Also next week we'll get the chiller running so we can cool it down in here. And then keep plugging along.
So with summer here, are there specific areas that your crews are focusing on?
So we're pretty much, the whole school, minus the addition or the remodel that we did last summer. We're working on that grand entrance right now and knocking a bunch of walls down. We're about, say, probably 85% done with demo, and now we're just kind of trying to put things back together and the new walls up.
Great. With the new addition, it looks great. Can you give us an update on what's been done both inside and outside with it? It looks almost done.
Yeah, we're real close. Inside, we just have some new doors to hang. All the cabinetry is in, the flooring is about 95% complete. And then outside we have the excavators here, which are bringing everything up to grade and for the new sidewalks and the new road. We did move the road about 10 feet further away from the building to give it some more breathing room for the trucks that come by to supply your school.
The new entrance is started. Can you give us an update on what's left to be completed with that?
Yeah, so we have a little bit of cold form framing to put up, and then we'll sheet it, and then we'll get the new curtain wall that'll go in with doors and paneling and get everything put back together for you.
Looking ahead to the fall, what would your goals be to have done before staff and students return to the building?
Well, the goal is to have this all completed. We should be pretty close. If nothing else, we may have a couple finishes left to do, but things are running real smooth and going back together like it should.
Awesome. Thanks again for the June construction update, Brad. We appreciate all the information you share with our students, staff, families, and community. That's a wrap for our June construction update. We're so excited to have you join us back here in the fall and to see the finished product of our construction.